Hey friends, this is Rini. Welcome back to my channel to a brand new video, and as I always say, welcome back to my beautiful heart. What you can expect from this video? Well, 2 flip cards, 2 journal cards, many simple tags, pockets, all decorated with clip arts, embellishments, stickers, beads, and lots of imagination, happiness and love. So let's get started. My journal size is 8 inches by 8 inches. I'm keeping the size of the cards accordingly, and all these I'm attaching to 2 journal layouts which I've already created. The link is given and I request you to watch the video if you haven't seen it earlier. As you can see, I'm using a clip art of birdhouse and that of a sentiment. For the cards, I'm using scrapbook papers of various colors, designs, thickness and sizes. The details of the materials used are given in the description box. All the banners, flowers and stars are made from scraps left from previous projects. Oh yes, I have cut out these shapes with scissors before shooting so that the video doesn't turn out to be too lengthy. I really don't want to bore you. You must be wondering why I'm adding these cards to the 2 journal layouts created earlier. Well, at that time I wanted to express my thoughts and emotions through my brush and paint, but now I want to write. I want to pour my art out and I want to let my ink flow. I personally think that journaling is an endless process. We cannot just set boundaries of time and date. I'm also using small clip arts of blueberries to decorate the banners. Do you like the way I'm pasting the beads? Please let me know in the comment box. Blessed are those who have everything they need. A few questions come to my mind always. I wonder whether we should have everything that is needed for journaling. Should we wait till we acquire everything before we start the journey of journaling? Or should we make use of what we have? What is your opinion? You will be surprised to know that the white butterflies are actually sticker papers attached to the stickers used previously. What others call trash, well, I call them treasures. I'm using tiny stickers to decorate the wings. Now this is absolutely an original idea. I hope you like it. I am making 2 pockets of abstract shapes from scrapbook papers. I want the journal cards to have a semicircular cut on the top. This you can do with appropriate paper punching machine. Since I don't have one, I'm using my scissors. The cards already have beautiful prints on them, so I'm not decorating them further. And these cards have ample space to write on. On the second journal card, I'm creating another pocket of another kind. Here I want to store a few embellishments which I have made earlier. This is a struggle. This is a real struggle. The gum didn't get time to dry up. Wow, this is a cute sticker. I like it. It's amazing. Now let's move on to paper clip decoration. I have 2 wooden dragonfly buttons and I'm pasting them on paper clips with the help of white glue. Now I'll leave them to dry. If you are already liking my video, then do consider subscribing. Please give a like. I am creating scallops on the edge of the journal card with scissors, and I am punching holes to make a border design. On the pocket edge also I am creating a similar design. Pocket is ready now. To decorate the journal card, I'm using a bird embellishment. I pasted the washi tape on a white cardstock. Why did I do this? To give the banner a little thickness. The banner is looking amazing. I love it. I really love it. The dark and light pink stars that you can see, these are actually shakers. Decorate this tag, I'm using banners, flowers, leaves, star, all of which I have created from scraps. This is another clip art. On the other side of the journal card, I'm pasting a ruled paper so that I can write. The washi tape is to give a finishing touch. On the other side of the tag, I'm pasting a smaller pocket so that another tag can go inside. This tag is actually a damaged piece of paper but I like the color and I'm covering up the damage with a sticker. I love upcycling waste products. I'm pasting a square grid paper so that I can write. I acquired these two little cute owls from a printable content. Again, I'm using washi tape to give a nice look. If you want to round the corners of any card, you can always have an appropriate punching machine. Again, since I don't have one, I'm using scissors. This is my second journal card. For this I'm using a scrapbook paper. I've folded in the ratio of 3:1 because I want to show the butterflies. On the top side, which is white, I'm making a collage. Again, these are scraps of papers left from previous projects. Oh no, this is a disaster. Too much of gum has come on the paper. I'm really disappointed. I just can't get it right. Now I'm using washi tape to cover up the scar. In all my creative projects, I do make mistakes and then I try to rectify and hopefully something beautiful turns out. Now I'm making 3 pockets for which I'm using vellum pieces. And scraps of papers for making tags. The bunch of yellow flowers look amazing, especially with the little red strip of paper below. Do you like it? So guys, do you like the dragonflies? So see you again next week. Bye bye. Love you all and thank you for watching.